Welcome back this afternoon. Angie Edge from Dairy Farmers of Wisconsin is here. Of course, we're looking ahead to the big game, and you got to have Wisconsin cheese when it comes to the Super Bowl.
Of course. You know, everybody thinks of it as a social day to have cheese, and 77% of Americans say that a Super Bowl party is not complete without great food, and of course, that being Wisconsin cheese. Last year, 29 million pounds of cheese were served during the Super Bowl. We expect it to be even larger this year, but if you think about it, there's so many great ways to enjoy Wisconsin cheese, whether it's a cheese board, maybe nachos, maybe pizza, desserts, you know, sliders, soups, anything that you can incorporate Wisconsin cheese, and so many great appetizers as well.
And you're bringing a little heat to the mix today,
Yeah,
too.
so we're spicing things up, heating it up a notch, and so we have the spicy game day cheese board that have 3 different Wisconsin cheeses. They have a little bit of heat to them if you like that.
Love that.
And so the one on this side is the Hatch chili pepper cheese made by Hennings in Kiel, Wisconsin. They've been making cheese for over a century. It's made by a Wisconsin master cheesemaker. They're known for all of the specialty varieties that they add into their cheddar cheese. So this is a nice, mild, mellow white cheddar cheese with those Hatch chili peppers from New Mexico that just give it a lot of heat and a lot of zing for your Super Bowl party. And you can also add some heat to blue cheese as well. This one's actually really fun. It's the Glacier blue cheese from Carr Valley. They make a wide variety of blue cheeses. They also have some local shops right in Wisconsin that you can stop at. But that one has some nice heat to it as well. You can see the peppers infused in the blue cheese. So you get a little bit of creaminess and a little bit of heat as well.
There you go.
Also made by a Wisconsin master cheesemaker.
Love that.
You can have some hot pepper sausage as well, some salami. And then the last hot cheese we have is the jalapeno Havarti cheese. Havarti is a nice, smooth, creamy, complex cheese, but when you add those jalapenos to it, you just get it kicked up just a notch. They are an award-winning specialty cheese producer here in Wisconsin, known for their awards, their specialty cheeses, and they're actually headquartered right here in Stoughton, so
awesome.
a local favorite.
That's great, and even though the Packers aren't in it this year, at least we can still celebrate this right here.
And there's so many fun ways to incorporate different snacks and ideas. So we have some hot and spicy snack mix, some hot and spicy almonds. You know, you can have some fun pairing some different things, and no party is complete without real Wisconsin cheese curds as well. So these are the Chipotle cheese curds made by Schellsburg Creamery. Another fun visit if you want to drive to Schellsburg for the day. But we're pairing that with some salami, a little jalapeno, and they make a lot of different flavored varieties, whether you want their traditional, there's Chipotle, Buffalo Wild Wing, or jalapeno as well. So
I love it.
Lots of ways to kick it up a notch for your Super Bowl party.
Where can folks find this recipe?
You can find the recipe at wisconsincheese.com. You can also find all of these cheeses locally, but you can learn more information about our cheesemakers and everything for your Super Bowl party.
Awesome. Angie Edge, Dairy Farmers of Wisconsin. Happy Super Bowl Sunday.
Yeah,
Thanks so much.
have fun.
Appreciate it.